that part. We'll say that for later, right? As long as I can catch it, that's usually my exit. So I'll say that for the last. That's the bill paying portion of the video. Shout out to paying them bills. Appreciate all the Buy Me a Coffee support. Okay, okay, it's not doing nothing right because I'm switching over. Bye, running, gone. Senate the Menace. What up, Brittany? Appreciate you for coming through, kicking with your boy. But y'all know to go check out the Rumble also. For the replay game, the links that are dropped in the chat are not for y'all, so they definitely replay squad. So, if you do need a link, just let me know, because, you know what I'm saying, you go to the last video and get the links out of there. Yeah, make you put in some work, but it's worth it. But shouts out to the video links, that's what they for, though. You can hit up the last video to go ahead and go get them, but they're the same, so just hit up the Rumble. Shout out to the Rumble if you need a link, because you don't know what to search. Like I said, they are available in the last video, so boom, there you go. Anyways, today's video topic is who's watching. Shout out to the people that's watching, because I see y'all coming in. And hopefully we'll give you another shout out whenever we do see you in the coming up portion of the video, because as soon as I get done rolling, going through some trim gel right now. Shouts out to the little bit of trim gel on my tray, some weed, and I gotta you know pick out some of these leaves, because some of them ain't all the way out. I don't do too much trim gel. I just trim it up before I smoke it, right? Take whatever stuff I don't like off, and then throw the rest in a freaking grinder. These are some small little bit of stuff, but hell, y'all know how it be. Good news is since it is daytime and I haven't switched my lights over, I can show y'all flower tint after I did pick the 6 to put in there. Because those were the 6 that were already singles and looking like they were ready to take off. So of course putting them in a tent might help them out, because it's a little bit easier to control that than that flipping green room. Because the tent will stay warm because it's a tent. Man, shouts out to the tent. It does this thing. Let me get this open so y'all have some light. There we go. I know you see it. We're gonna turn it around. Put you in the air. Yeah, there we go. Like a play air. There goes another one. There goes another one. DJ Khaled. What do you say? We the best. Y'all know we gonna have a nice run this time. Shout out to the big homie Bear Miller, aka Triple B. Got us with a young demo for you. And like I said, since these are auto flowers, I ain't got to worry too much about nothing else. So they're just going to be right here behind me chilling. Then we got the rest of them in the green room. And then I got more that I germinated the other day. Because remember, I told you I was. Because we going to keep them popping to make sure I get all of the genetics that he sent me as soon as I can get them harvested. Shout out to the auto flowers, because they just going to run their little quick life cycle, be in and out the trap house, right? Right. Shouts out to knowing how to manage your real estate. That way later on, whenever I find a flavor I like, since I got the photo periods of these autos,